So, sound comparison. This would be stock exhaust. Alright, so the exhaust is off. See how mean she sounds without an exhaust. Holy hell! And the new exhaust. So let's give this a listen here.